ಹಲೋ
ಸರಿತಾ
ಸರಿತಾನಾ? ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Papa, I would like to get on near my office before we go to Binu's place.
Okay, fine.
Okay, Papa.
Hot day.
You want water, Papa?
Yeah, sure. That's also there.
Yeah. Okay, Papa.
Okay. So, shall we?
Shankar! How come you're here? Come. Let me introduce you. This is my father.
Hello.
That's my sister Shweta. Shankar, I'm really sorry for that day. I couldn't take you home inside. How come you know this place? My office?
Sarita Kumar, Binu's friend, gave me his address.
So nice.
Oh, so you're Binu's friend? We are actually headed to Binu's place itself to give him a surprise. Why don't you accompany us if you're free?
Yeah, that would be nice. Shall we?
Please. Sarita, that day you stopped me at your door. And today, I am having to stop you at your door. That day, I could not imagine what the reason was. And the reason for stopping me today is more worse than that.
Is anything wrong?
Sarita. Binu,
is the reason for this? She was telling me that he was hospitalized and he was now resting at home.
I'm really sorry to bring this news. But it's a hard fact to digest. Yes, sir. Binu's no more. Forgive me, sir. Kumar tells me that there has been too many ups and downs between Sarita and Binu. A lot of hope and a lot of despair. As far as I know, Binu was a sensitive person. And maybe it reached a saturation point wherein he could not take it anymore. Better than you and me, Sarita would be knowing him better. Because of his profession, his family nearly abandoned him. He was frustratingly alone when Sarita entered his life. But she also left him when his expectation was at the peak. She started avoiding him for the reasons better known to her. Whatever it is, sir, we have to blame ourselves for his death. They say artists are more sensitive beings than common people. You should deeply feel sorry for not being able to take proper care of an artist like him. I don't know what else to say.
It's because of me. I only killed him. Shweta, I only killed him.
थी सनम, जो तेरी राहों में हमें खोना था सनम। न हमारी मंजिलें है किसी और से सालों साल जीना, न हमारी मंजिलें है किसी और से सालों साल जीना। यूं ही साया बन के तुझ संग जीना, यूं ही साया बन के तुझ संग जीना, क्या ये कभी मुमकिन है?
Sarita, please take care of yourself. You also had been an artist.
Hello? Yes, Sarita. This is doctor. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Yeah, that's good. See you soon. Okay. Hello, Sarita. Welcome. How are you?
Fine.
Okay. Sarita. Sarita, as a family friend, even I'm shocked. Something really horrible to go through. But it's not your fault. You should move on with your life. Your father's been a very good friend of mine. I saw you growing up. Your father and I are very close. And that's why he gave me a call when there was a family tragedy. I know you're also a musician, and music and love for music has joined both of you in love. And you must be missing him a lot. But music has no boundaries. You can publish his music and make him live forever. There is a future. What's your future plan?
I've never thought about this, but I think what you're saying is right. At least I can live with him through music. Yeah.
And anyway, he wouldn't want you to suffer. I know that. He would want you to move on with your life. That's what I would suggest. Your father will be very happy to hear this also.
Yeah.
You need to get some positive thoughts into your life. Induce positive thoughts into your life.
Maybe.
Don't think of the future. Just think of now. What's your next step, Sarita?
I mean, after you've said that I can live with him through his music, I can think about it. But it's just that I feel this emptiness and there's a lot of vacuum. I don't feel like listening to the music. I don't feel like doing anything. I feel that there's no life without him. But what you said, yeah, I'll think about it. But maybe now, I think I need some time for myself.
Everyone needs a few days to grieve. Take a few days. That's okay. But then get on with life. Let's have the old Sarita back.
Let's hope. I'm trying to, but something stops me. And I always feel that I was the reason to, for his death. And I just can't digest it. Sometimes I feel that, meeting him itself was a big mistake. At least he would have lived.
There is no need to feel guilty.
Maybe my yes, no in love. I still feel that I shouldn't have done it.
Think of the good times you had. Think of those wonderful days, how much you meant to him, how much he meant to you, how much you contributed to each other's lives. Think of the good times.
I'll try to do that.
Good. And wear something colorful next time I see you. There's your bindi.
I just don't feel like doing it. I like to be with myself. I don't know. I feel best this way right now, and I will try. I'll try. Maybe I can start with music.
Yes, put on your favorite music.
I think
What
that's
is your
going to be my
favorite?
best jewel than bindi or anything else. Yeah. I think there's this reason I have now to live for.
Who's your favorite musician?
It was Bino himself.
So you can always now put his track on if you publish his music.
Yeah. Thank you, Doctor. Thanks for giving me a reason. I just had to realize it.
I'm glad I could help.
Thank you so much.
नशा ये कैसा नशा 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 ये कैसा नशा तेरी आंखों में तेरी बाहों में नशा नशा ये कैसा नशा तेरी आंखों में तेरी बाहों में नशा नशा ये कैसा नशा
I had sang a song for Bino for one of his recordings, and he had a lot of fun. And yeah, that was my first project with him. And after 2 years, I met him again. So sometimes I feel there is a karmic connection towards him, and I had to meet him, and he had to meet me.
Yes, there is a lot of magnetic attraction, you
Yeah.
know. So you believe in life after death also?
I believe in karma.
Good. Maybe there is someone even more wonderful than him waiting for you to sweep you off.
That I haven't thought about. As you told me, music, I think yes, that's going to be my aim now. And yeah, maybe somebody who supports music like him, who is passionate about it, then maybe I'll think about it. Thank you, Dr. Deepthi. It was such a burden, throughout these days. I literally used to lock myself up and never used to listen to anybody. But you made me feel good today. I think it's like a new birth for me. And I will actually think about what you told me. I will think about it. Thank you so much.
Good girl. That spirit. Yes. Good to see you back with a smile.
Thank you.
Your father will be so happy.
Yeah.
And so when you go home, I'm going to switch on some music.
Yeah, music. Bye, Doc. Thank you so much.
Keep in touch. Call me if there's anything, if you feel going down or anything. So we'll keep an eye on you. Thank God. Pretty girl.
Thank you, doctor. My Sarita is happy. I am happy. I am free now. I can go. I can happily go. This is real freedom. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, doctor. Thank you so much. Goodbye.